jumping on the TikTok trend that I'm turning a photo of my niece into an elf character woman elf. In this mini-series, I test two different AI websites and compare the results side by side. First AI website, STLBuddy. I'm using the high-quality option, which costs 4 credits. I fast-forwarded the AI generation to save time. Let's get to the results. Right away, you can see it looks like the image, but is not 100% clean. Some of the detail are there, but also few areas look a bit rough or not fully defined. It's definitely recognizable. Second program, MakerLab from MakerWorld. Now let's see how this one compares to the first AI. Same photo, different AI. Let's check the results and see which one does it better. We get the model in full color, which is pretty cool. It captures the color from the original image. It looks clean so far, but we'll really see the difference once I import both models into ZBrush and compare them side by side.
We'll see you in a couple days.
You still there?